Well, Oscar, how's your morning going? About ready for meal number 3? Gets a little ornery. Does your cat kind of love bite you, or at least he's engaged? They say that's important that a cat is engaged. I think I'm his favorite toy. You should see by the railing. He's meowing at me. What do you think, Oscar? He can bite somewhat hard at times. Doesn't have any claws. He's not super fast, so I can be elusive. What the heck, Oscar? Aw, was that not good? I don't want you to be sad. Yeah, my buddy. Yeah, a while back, he had some fluid build up in his lungs, and you see dogs that pant, especially if they're out walking or running, and that makes sense, but you don't see an indoor cat just start panting. And he was lethargic for a day. Took him in a couple pills like furosemide and this other heart pill, vet med, and in a day he was like back to his normal self and hasn't been panting. Sometimes when you exercise a little bit, I could see a little bit of extra breathing and stuff. So I try not to push it, even with these little exercises. I don't want him to have a major health issue, right, Oscar? He seems to be pretty relaxed. I believe he'll have another appointment coming up, but the fluid in his lungs is pretty cleared up. We'll see what the next x-ray and blood work looks like. His heart is kind of in a lower place and bigger, so I don't know what really to do about that. But his quality of life is good. Right, Oscar? Gonna be 12 and a half. Thankful for every day. Yeah. Anyway, wanted to share a little morning fun with Oscar. Have a great day.